Alright guys, May here with another quick video. Today I wanted to show you this Searchl wearable blanket hoodie. I was sent this item to test it out and share my experience about it. So let's get it opened up and I'll show you what it looks like. This blanket is thick and so soft, and it's made of flannel material. It's surprisingly lightweight, not like some of those Sherpa type of blankets that are bulky. It is easy to wear. All I have to do is put my head in, and slide my hands out. And that's basically it. I don't have to deal with the hassle of zippers getting stuck. It's just as easy as sliding on a sweatshirt. I can even put the hoodie on and keep my ears and my cheeks warm as well. This blanket is very oversized and it actually goes below my knees, which is really nice because it keeps everything warm. I also can put my hands in like this and keep my hands warm as well. Or there's the cuffs right here. If I place them in like that, it keeps the sleeves where they need to be. It also has an extra large pocket here, which is really nice. It's about 18 inches by 12 inches, so I can basically fit anything I want in it. I could put snacks in it, maybe a book that I'm reading, maybe a ball of yarn if I'm working on a crochet project, or even the kids' toys. It's really nice to be able to fit a lot of things in this pocket. And if I don't want to worry about digging in and finding my phone or my remote for the TV, there is also a little pocket here in the front that I can use for my phone and my remote, and I can conveniently take it out whenever I need it. This blanket comes in a few different sizes and colors, so you have many options to choose from. I really like that they even have kids sizes too. So basically I could pick out a matching set of hooded blankets for all the family members if I wanted to. This blanket is so comfortable and warm, and I can use it anywhere, either indoors or outdoors. If you are in the market for a soft and warm, comfortable blanket for yourself or to give as a gift for birthdays, Christmas, or any other occasion, you definitely don't want to miss out on this.